In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create work schedules using Monday.com. First, open Monday.com in your browser and sign in to your account. Once you're in, look to the left sidebar for the plus icon. This is the quickest way to add something new. Click it to open your creation options. From the menu that appears, choose Template Center. Templates save time because they come with columns, groups, and views that are already configured for common workflows. In the Template Center, use the search bar and type Work Schedule. This narrows the gallery to templates designed for planning shifts and coverage. Find the work schedule template in the results and click it to open the preview. The preview shows you the structure you'll get, so take a moment to scan the example items and columns. If it matches what you need, click Use Template. Monday.com will ask where to place it. Select the workspace or folder that makes the most sense for your team, give the board a clear name, and confirm. Your new schedule board will be added to your account in just a few seconds. Now let's customize your work schedule so it reflects your real-world setup. Start by renaming groups to represent weeks or locations, depending on how you plan. Rename the items to represent shifts or team members. Adjust the columns to capture what matters. For example, a people column for the assignee, date and time or hour columns for the shift window, a status column for availability or confirmation, and optional fields like role or location. You can drag columns to reorder them and hide anything you don't need. Assign each shift to the right person and use color-coded statuses to make coverage obvious at a glance. Filters help you quickly see a single person's upcoming shifts, while sorting by date keeps the week in chronological order. To visualize capacity, add a calendar or timeline view so you can spot overlaps and gaps. If your plan changes often, consider enabling simple automations like notifying the assigned person a day before a shift or updating a status when a date moves. Set permissions so editors can update the schedule while others have view-only access. When everything looks good, share the board with your team and encourage them to confirm their assignments. That's it. You've built a reusable work schedule you can duplicate for future weeks and keep everyone aligned.